Hello guys, welcome here to another video. On this video we will be doing some work on my BMW. I purchased this second-handed, so the previous owner did something pretty bad here. You don't do this ever. And also he painted this. I'm gonna show you how to remove this so you can fix it if it ever happens to you, but hopefully it doesn't. But this, I don't think there's much we can do about it. We'll try to make it cleaner and stuff, but if not, I'll just get a new grill. But for now, I'm just gonna remove the paint. So to do this, you just need some rubbing alcohol, and this should come off. Just give it a go. We'll start by doing this part here. So what you need to do this is you need a wipe, gloves if you want to, and some alcohol. So basically you're just gonna spray a little bit here. And just start rubbing it here. If it is working, you should see the color on the wipe. So I'm gonna do this and I'll come back to you in a few minutes. As you can see guys, it is coming off. Very slowly, but it is coming off. So I'll just keep doing it for a little bit longer. But it is a bit scratched, so we might have. Eventually we'll replace this, the entire grill. So now this is what it looks like after it was removed. No more blue. It has some scratches, but we'll see if I can find a way to fix that. But from far away, it does look better. We're gonna see what we can do about this. Okay guys, just a small update. 2 gone, 1 to go. We also have to remove just a little bit there. But it does look better than what it looked before. Alright guys, check it out. All gone. Well, we managed to get this off. It's actually not that hard glued in, but you can see all the glue that this person used. You don't do this to your car, man. So whoever did this, if you're watching, no, you don't do this. Now let's try to remove the glue that's left on the grill. With that removed, we just need to remove the residue, the glue that is left. Okay guys, as you can see, the glue is coming off. However, it leaves a little bit of marks like it did here. But what I'm using to remove the excess glue, it's a Dremel with a polishing pad on it, polishing bit on it. Just have to go really slow, so that way you don't damage the grill. So it's like on the lowest speed, you just start removing little by little the excess glue. I'm gonna try to give it a shine later on, but just to remove the glue, just basically, you can actually see when the glue is coming off. You see a lot of smoke or dust, sorry, and then you just wipe it clean, and then you can check that still we have still some here and all that. So when I finish that and see if we can give it a polish later so we can make it shine, doesn't look so bad. But here there's a lot of it that I need to remove. I'm just gonna give you a small look at how I remove this one. Just go slow little by little and you'll remove the entire glue residue. You just have to keep wiping it so you know how much further you are in. Okay guys, that's what it looks like. This is not glue. These are just scratches that we will try to remove, but from far away it does look a lot better than having this thing on it. Well guys, that's the final result. Here you can see that it's scratched. Same here. But we don't have the color anymore. And we don't have the weird emblem here. This all will get replaced anyway, but just until those parts arrive, this is what we're gonna go with. It'll take, I don't know, a couple of weeks to arrive. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.